Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Eat, Love, and Explore. This is Nikki, and today we will be reviewing an item from our new sponsor, BASENOR. So BASENOR sent us a wheel cover set, and it's nicely packaged. So it also comes with a protective tape along with center logo. Like this and this one. Very nice. Thank you, BASENOR. So let's open this one, guys. Okay. As you can see, it is nicely packaged. Protect the item. Oops, I'm not going to do that one. And this one is a black satin finished. And look at this. This is very nice. So this one is a 19-inch MAYBACH style satin finished for our Model Y. And this is the logo, guys. It looks like this. Looks very nice. And we will share the item link on the description down below, and my husband will be doing the installation process, so we can't wait for you guys to see how it looks.
Hi everyone, Archie here again. Alright, so we have this all new wheel covers from BASENOR. This is a 19-inch MAYBACH style black satin finish. The installation is very easy. Alright, so we're just gonna put this protective tape around the edges of all the wheel covers, just like this. It's very easy to do. I'm also gonna put some protective tapes on these clips right here. Now let's put on the center cap logo. Just peel this off. Just like that. Alright, all done. Looks good. Now I'm going to do the same process for the rest of the wheel covers. Alright, let's go ahead and install the wheel covers. All you have to do is line this one up with the air valve. See that groove right there? And just press it firmly. And do a little tap. Easy. Real simple. Alright, now I'm going to do the same for the rest of the wheels. Let's do it. Here they are. I really like the way the wheel covers look. It's more of a classic look. Again, the installation was very easy. The wheel covers looks really nice, especially with my red caliper covers. So it really makes the entire look pop. I love it. So what do you guys think? Let us know on the comment down below. And that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.